Okay, let's dive into this. Today, we're focusing on something absolutely incredible, building your active conversational fluency. We're going to look at the exact daily English essentials that literally act as the building blocks, really the architecture of true fluency. If you've ever felt totally stuck, just trying to get the words out of your head and into the real world, well, this explainer was built specifically for you. So tell me if this sounds familiar. Do you understand English perfectly well when you're just listening, but then you suddenly forget all your words when it's actually time to speak? I want to validate that right now. It is incredibly common, and honestly, it's just so frustrating to freeze up during a real-world conversation. You are definitely not alone in this. And hey, it doesn't mean you aren't making progress. It simply means we need to build a bridge between understanding and speaking. But don't worry, in this explainer, we're going to learn the actual common conversational modules that native speakers use every single day. We're going to master these English interactions by breaking them down into simple, repeatable, everyday functional modules. By the time we wrap up, you'll have a handy toolkit of phrases ready to go literally whenever you need them. So, here's our roadmap for today. 1. Breaking the speaking barrier. 2. Making connections and greetings. 3. Navigating daily real-world scenarios. 4. Handling transactions with ease. And finally, 5. Essential expressions and practice. Knowing this path right up front really lowers the anxiety. These are targeted toolkits designed completely for your success. All right, Section 1. Breaking the speaking barrier. I want to point out right away that this explainer is designed for your active participation. Repetition is the literal architect of fluency here. Section 2. Making connections and greetings. Let's move to this next part and see how this builds, really focusing on the very foundation of any interaction, socializing. So, like I said, don't just listen. I want you to speak out loud. Let's try greeting someone. I'll read the first part, and I want you to repeat the reply and the pause. Ready? Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Awesome. Now, let's try meeting someone new. Hello, my name is Allie.
Nice to meet you, Allie.
What's your name? My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Great job. Just getting those words moving out loud is step 1. Let's keep that call and response momentum going. Now, what's really interesting about this is how basic introductory phrases can easily pivot to entirely different situations, like a casual catch-up or even a phone call. Here's a quick chat with a friend. What are you doing? I'm watching YouTube. Which channel? An English learning channel. That's great. Now try this standard phone call. Hello, is Ahmed there? Speaking. Who's this? It's Allie. How are you? I'm fine. Notice how simple and direct these are? You absolutely do not need complicated vocabulary to make a connection. Moving right along to Section 3, navigating daily real-world scenarios. We're shifting gears from pure socializing to seeking information in everyday environments. Let's look at 2 incredibly common public scenarios. Learning these specific scripts gives you immediate confidence the second you step out your front door. First up, asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Sure, what do you need? I'm looking for the bus station. It's straight ahead. Next is asking the time. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3:30. Thank you. You're welcome. Did you notice that starting with excuse me in both scenarios is just the perfect, polite hook to get someone's attention? Let's try some more. And this brilliantly illustrates how versatile, simple questions and answers can be across entirely different settings. Let's try the ultimate small talk, talking about the weather. It's very hot today. Yes, it is. I hope it rains soon. Me too. Now let's completely change the setting to a classroom. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I did. Excellent work. Thank you, teacher. Whether you're chatting about the heat or answering a teacher, the structure is always short, crisp, and totally manageable. All right, Section 4, handling transactions with ease. This is our third toolkit, and it's all about empowering you to handle money, ask for discounts, and manage services without that terrible feeling of freezing up. So, imagine you're at a store. Practice this negotiation with me. How much is this shirt? It's $20. Can I get a discount? Yes, I can give you 10% off. Thank you. See, being able to smoothly ask, how much is this, and can I get a discount, is going to make shopping in English an absolute breeze. Now, let's tackle restaurant menus. I'm going to use very clear, deliberate pronunciation here so you feel fully equipped to place your order next time you're out. Welcome. What would you like to order? I'd like a chicken burger and a cold drink. Anything else? No, that's all. Starting with I'd like, followed by your food choice. That is the golden standard for ordering politely and clearly, literally anywhere in the world.
Section 5, Essential Expressions and Practice. This is our final course section, focusing on rapid-fire foundational phrases and a really concrete plan to cement them in your memory.
These polite greetings and farewells are the universal glue of English conversation. They fit absolutely everywhere. Let's practice them with a nice, upbeat rhythm. Ready? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. See you later. Take care. Have a nice day. If you master these, you'll always know exactly how to start and end an interaction smoothly. Now, these are your absolute lifesaver phrases for clarification. You can use I understand or I don't understand just to set the baseline. If you need help, politely ask, could you repeat that? Or please speak slowly. Or if you come across a new word, ask, what does this mean? So the crucial point is this. Politely asking for help or clarification is a massive step toward fluency, not a failure. Saying please speak slowly actually shows you're actively engaged in the conversation. Okay, here is your actionable practice regimen. If you really want to make this stick, follow these 3 steps. Step 1, watch this explainer every day for 1 week. Step 2, repeat every single sentence aloud. Step 3, speak more in your daily life to build up that confidence. Don't forget to practice those greetings, asking for help, and ordering food just like we outlined. It really is that straightforward. I want to pause here for a second to highlight this core motivational takeaway from our source material. Read it with me. The more you speak, the more confident you become. It's not about having perfect grammar before you open your mouth, not at all. It's about the act of speaking itself. Your daily out loud practice directly fuels your confidence. I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. Will you start speaking today? You've got the tools, you know the common conversations, and you have the practice plan. The architecture of your fluency is built. Keep practicing, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more lessons, and I'll see you in the next explainer.